Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Yeah. What was discussed the last class, guys? Yeah, notes how to download the Git is pending. Okay. Yes, you guys are right on how to download the Git. If we want to download Git, if we want to download the Git, we need to enter Git download in search. We need to enter Git download in search. Then choose the then choose the Git download first link. Then choose the Git download first link. Select then choose the Git download first link. Select the bit size. Select the bit size. Select the bit size. Click on the download. Select the bit size. Click on the download. Okay. Select the bit size. Then click on the download. Next. Next. Once the software is downloaded successfully, once the software is downloaded successfully, we need to install the software. We need to install the software by using monkey gorilla testing, monkey testing, by using monkey testing. Next, by using monkey testing. Next, once installation is completed, Once installation is completed, we need to do the we need to do the sign up. We need to do the sign up. Next, full stop, next line. While doing the sign up, while doing the sign up, Pavani, is clear my voice? Pavani? Everyone able to hear my voice online, guys? Everyone able to hear my voice online? Yeah, all right. What you did? While doing the sign up, we need to provide valid username and password. Valid username and password. Okay. While doing the sign up, we need to provide valid username and password. The sign up also, we need to do the sign up also, we need to do, we need to complete the sign up also, we need to complete by using monkey testing. By using monkey testing. It is clear, little bit you guys are need to write speed. Okay. Next, once login is success, once login is success, we are able to navigate to the we are able to navigate once login is success, we are able to navigate to the Git repository homepage. We are able to navigate to the Git repository homepage. Once login is success, we are able to navigate to the Git repository homepage. Okay. Next, how to create the repository in Git. How to create the repository in Git. How to create the repository in Git. In this homepage, means Git repository homepage. In this homepage, we have a two options is there. In this homepage, we have two options is there. The first one, new. Second one, plus symbol. Plus symbol. Oh, no, plus symbol. Okay. First one, new. Second one, plus. Okay. Arithmetical. Plus. Yeah. Next line. By using any above option, by using above any option, we are able to create the repository. We are able to create the repository. Next. Full stop. Next. Once click on anyone. Once click on anyone. Anyone means plus or new. Once click on anyone, we need to provide the repository name. Once click on anyone, we need to provide the repository name. Select the public radio button. Select the public radio button. Click on finish. Okay. Once click on any option, provide the repository name, select the public option, radio button, and click on finish. Okay. Yeah. Then the repository will created successfully. Then the repository will created successfully. Then the repository will created successfully. Next line. Next heading. How to upload or create the file. How to upload or create the file. How to upload or create the file. Once create the repository, once create the repository, we have a two options is there. Once create the repository, we have a two options is there. First one, create a new file. Create a new file. Second one, upload the file. Create a new file. Upload the file. Yeah. Create a new file heading. Create a new file heading. By using this option, by using this option, we are able to create any new data. We are able to create any new data. Okay, next. Once we creating the data, once we creating the data, we need to provide file name. Once we creating the data, we need to provide file name. Then click on the commit changes. 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 Next, upload. Next heading, what is that one? Uploading file. By using this option, We are able to upload any data from by using this option. We are able to upload any data from local machine to repository. Local machine to repository. Full stop. Once upload is success, we need to click on commit changes. We need to click on commit changes. You know what is the commit changes? Once creating the data, okay, and once upload the data, we did some changes and click on commit. I did the change. So that is we call a commit changes. Okay, commit changes. The next one, how to get the repository URL. How to get the repository URL. Just I want to click on the sign in. What is this? How to get the URL, repository URL. Okay. Yeah. Just one by one. Arrow mark. Okay. Click on the repository. Click on the repository. Okay. Click on the repository arrow mark. Click on code. See on the screen. Click on code. Click on code arrow mark. Select the HTTPS. Select the HTTPS. Get the URL. Next, arrow mark. Get the URL. 4 steps. Okay. 4 steps. Is it clear, guys? Okay, I will create one more repository. You guys are observed as per your notes how to create the repository. We have a two options is there. We have a two options is there. The first one is the new and second one is the plus. Okay. See, first one is the new, second one is the plus. We need to select in this, we need to select any one. I was selected new. In this, we need to select anyone. Once you guys are selecting this one, we need to provide the repository. Okay. We need to select the repository. Once you guys are select the repository, select the public radio button. Select the public radio button and click on the finish. Okay. Click on the finish or create repository. Then repository is created successfully. Okay. Yeah. Next one. How to create a file or upload. We have a two options is there. One is the create a new file. Second one is the upload existing. Okay. Just I want to select the create a new file. Just I want to select the create a new file and provide the data. Provide the data. Before click on commit changes, we need to provide the name. Okay. We need to provide name. Then click on commit changes. Then click on commit changes. Okay, that's it. If you want to get the repository URL, how to get the repository URL? Select the repository, first option. Select the repository, and what is the second option? Click on code, choose the HTTPS, get the URL. Get the URL. As it is, I explain or not notes. Okay, as it is. Okay, now you can put the heading how to push the code and how to pull the code. How to push the code and how to pull the code. From here, all the commands is important. How to push the code and how to pull the code. Okay, write down. Once get the URL, which URL? Repository URL. Once get the URL bracket repository. Once get the URL, comma, we need to create one folder. We need to create one folder, any expected location. Got it? We need to create one folder, any expected location. See guys, you guys are observed. This is I created. Okay. This is I created. Listen, first of all, listen. Okay. Stop the writing. Listen. Once I create the folder, I need to open the folder. I need to open the folder. If I want to pull the code from repository, if I want to pull the code from repository, right click on here, where on the folder. Once you open, right click on here, click on git bash here, click on git bash here. Then the bash board, it should be displayed. Click on git bash here. Then the bash board, it will be displayed. It is clear or not? Okay. The next one, we need to pull the code from repository. I want to pull the code from repository. If I want to pull the code from repository, git clone if space, copy this one, paste. It is clear? 1 minute, guys. Right click, git bash here, git clone. It is clear now? Yeah. So once you guys are provide the URL, you need to hit the enter button. We need to hit the enter button. Once you guys are hit the enter button, we need to convert this one local to main. You need to convert this one local to main. For example, local to mains in the sense, for example, now we are working in local. This one I need to convert local to main. Local to main. Okay. Just no such file, no JSAS. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. See, first of all, we need to get a file, guys. Sorry. Inside of the JSAS, what type of file is there? You need to get. You need to use ls. Once you guys are provide the ls, once you guys are provide the ls, what type of information we are able to get? Just a minute. Git clone only ls ch. Actually, this path is not there. One minute. 1 minute. I understood. Just I need to remove this file. Just I need to open here. Manual. Just I need to create a file. Folder. This is the git. And open the folder. And click on git bash. Click on git bash. And we need to provide here git clone, copy, paste, entered, and after that we need to use desktop training process manual. Actually, path while installing the software, I was not changed the path. Okay, ls plates and videos, postman pictures, whatever we provided in. Okay, I understood. 1 minute, guys. I want to do the uninstall the Git because I set the desktop location. That is the problem. See, now it is there. Right click. When I right click, Git bash is there. No. So, and where you guys are download, go to download. Here Git is there. Where is the Git? Git is there. Just click on next and see program files and Git. Next. Click on next. Finish. Same. Process. Okay. See, guys. Git clone. Paste. Cloning is success. Now I need to use ls. Okay. Now it is displayed. Okay. ls and cd space JSAS. See guys, you guys are observe before this is the local. Before this is the local. Before this is the local. Now it is convert to main repository or not. So you guys are observe one thing. Just I need to store the data in my specific location. Once I store the data, I want to get the file name. Once I get the file name, CD space, the file name, project name, I want to get JSAS, then it will be convert to local to main. Then it will be convert to local to main. Is it clear or not? It is clear or not? What you people are able to understand, tell me. Huh? See, listen. This is the local. In this, what is the project name we are able to get? Second one. This is the also local. Now, this local I need to convert to local to main. If I want to convert CD space project name, see, this is Git. In this manual, one folder is there, Git. In this Git, this project is there. That is the main. In this time, we are able to modify. We are able to change anything. We are able to modify or we are able to change anything. So if you want to modify cat, if you want to modify cat, JSS, if you want to modify anything, we need to use cat JSS. This is the command. This is the command. Just we need to click on enter button. No such file directory, cat. Inside of the cat, ls hyphen la. Total how many stubs is there inside of the file? 5. Okay, see, I will verify total how many stubs is there. This is the JS calling notepad. How many stubs is there? If you want to find any, if you want to find the stubs inside of the file, we need to use the project name, and at the same time, hyphen LA. You guys are able to understand or not? If you want to find anything, how many rows is there inside of the document, we need to use ls minus la. It is clear or not? Cat, what type of data is there? Whatever you stored inside of the file, every data is there. My question is clear or not? Not clear. అమ్మ వినండి, మళ్ళీ చెప్తా. వినండి, చెప్పేటప్పుడు మాట్లాడొద్దు, అర్థం కాదు. ఓకే, ఏనండి. If you want to pull the code from repository, we need to create one folder in expected location. Once you guys are open the folder, you need to right click on the inside of the folder, select the git bash here. It is clear? Done. Second point, once click on the git bash here, then one dashboard it will be displayed. One dashboard it should be displayed. Clear? Yeah. Next up, If you want to pull any expected code, we need to provide first command in git clone repository path. Path means URL. Click on enter. Automatically you people are able to clone. That is first one. Second command, if you want to verify how many projects is there in that folder, if you want to verify ls, clear? Only one project is there, that is JSAS. Clear? That's it. Next one. In that folder, in that project, how many stubs is available? If you want to verify ls space hyphen la, how many steps you guys are provided, in that everything will be reflected. Next command, if you want to show that data in your dashboard, if you want to see the data in your dashboard, we need to use cat. What is the file name? Kali. What is the file name? Kali. Then we are able to get the information. Now it is clear. If you want to add any data in existing, if you want to add any data in existing Vim Kali, Vim is the command, Kali is the file name. Just click on enter. Just click on enter. I want to add the data. If you want to add the data, what we need to do? First step, click on the insert button on keyboard. Clear? Click on insert button. Click on enter. Sixth one. Seventh one. Okay. It is clear. If you want to back to your home page, click on escape. Put the colon. Put the WQ. Put the colon. Put the WQ. Put the not equal. Put the colon. Put the WQ. Put the not equal. Click on enter button. You are able to back or not? If you want to get the status, git dot status. Git dot status. You guys, what you guys are able to understand here? What you guys are able to understand here? Online and offline guys, what you people are able to understand here? So this will be explained clearly. Already is modified. Which one we modified? Folder name Kali. So I need to cross check the status, modified or not, modified or not. It is clear or not? Git log patch. What you people are able to understand here? What you people are able to understand here? Before patch, before adding any data, if you want to get any existing data, I no need to add before modifying what type of data is there, we don't have an idea. Is it clear or not? What they are modified, we don't know. If you want to verify modifying data, you need to use this command. So original, this one. This is the original. Is it clear or not? It is clear or not? Doubt? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What I am saying, already file is modified. Some data is added, but original file, I don't know. If you want to verify the original file, you need to use this one. You need to use this one. It is clear or not? Now, if you want to get data, get status, modified Kali. If you want to see modified data also, cat Kali. It is clear or not? What is this one? What is this one? So what I modified, same data is there or not, I need to verify. See, we are expecting modifying data also. Okay. The data also will be there. It is clear or not? Online, online guys, online guys, you guys are able to understand or not? Online guys, hello, online guys, voice is not clear. All right. See, I was added only my folder, only my folder. If I want to add this data in my repository also, now I was added in my local machine. If I want to add the data in my repository, git add dot. Git is not a git command. See git help, the most similar command add. One more command also is there. Git commit a. See, this is asking author identifying. I need to try to add the data in repository directly. That's why who are you? This is asking. So I need to provide my username, my name, what I was provided in earlier. Okay, this command. No. paste. Anybody, if you want to if you guys are try to add in repository, definitely we are expecting this one. Who are you? Okay, you are a right person. Please enter your username and password your name. Is it clear or not? So now I will enter here. And next one, I need to provide the password. Same thing, not password, first name. Name, that one, name. Now I will verify. Git, okay. Git, this one. I added. I added. Okay. So if I want to see the status, git to status. Now what type of color should be displayed? This is on branch main. Origin main. This is go to main. Now we got a green color. Now we got a green color. Okay. So this is the process of how to get, how to pull and how to push. So the commands is important in interview time. They will ask, tell me how to pull the code, how to push the code question, how to, how to verify the modify or not status, and how to modify the existing data. It is clear. If you want to modify the existing data, how you people are able to do? మీరు చెప్తారని నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయనులే. విమ్ 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 file name. Vim file name. Then it should be displayed existing data. If you want to add any data, click on insert, enter the data, and after that, if you want to back to your home, escape colon WQ not equal. Very good. Okay, the file is modified or not. How you people are able to validate? Git git status. Okay, git status. Then it should be displayed modified file name. Then it should be displayed red color. If you want to modify in local machine, okay, if you want to attach the data inside of the repository also, the time what we need to do, git to add space dot. Otherwise, git to commit space -a. If you want to verify the added or not, then it should be displayed origin main. Then it should be displayed the modified, the folder name. Okay, see this one. Is it clear or not? It is clear or not? It is clear or not? In this is the main. This is the main. Inside of the main, what type of file is there? Kali is there. Okay, if you want to verify the file inside of the main, We need to click on ls, click on enter, file name, it should be displayed. Okay. And if you want to get the data, whatever you stored inside of the Kali, how you people are able to get the data? Huh? ls l a. Total before how many is there? Before before 5 is there. Now I updated. Okay. So, and after that, if you want to, if you want to see the data, if you want to see the data in git bash, what type of command we are able to use? Cat file name. Okay. Cat file name. The next one, if you want to modify vim dot file. If you want to add the data, insert, enter, and if you want to back to your page, escape, colon, enter, back to home. And if you want to get the status, modify. Okay. If you want to add whatever you store, whatever you update, if you want to verify that one, see git hyphen hyphen patch hyphen 1, git to patch, something is miss. Git to log hyphen hyphen patch hyphen 1. This is original. And I want to go to main. And after that, if you want to verify the current data, cat okay. So this is the process, online and offline, guys. Okay. If you want to store in main repository, git commit hyphen a. Okay. Modified calling. And after that, colon w key. Now you guys are observe git add space dot. Now you guys are enter git commit hyphen. This is your branch up to date with the origin main modified. The main branch. The main branch means main repository. So that is the process, guys. Okay, clear? Now you people are able to start the writing. Yeah. Please write down one number. Guys, we have a opportunity testing position 2018 to 2023 passed out. Domain is the Java and testing, Selenium. Okay, any degree qualification, any degree. Okay. Um, you guys are, I will write a notepad. In that notepad, you guys are write down the URL. This is a good opportunity, lifetime work from home. Just I got a message. This is the company name, company website. Okay, go to website. You guys are verify the position. Okay, online and offline, guys. And I will show you one more thing, guys. Um, non-voice also is there. So many opportunities is there. Non-voice, non-voice, non-IT, and tech support. One minute online, guys. I will tell you. Yeah. If it is anything is there, I will update in Google Classroom. But this is the testing related. Okay, 3.6 package. Pressure 2018 to 2023. Anyone pressure. Okay, 18 to 23 between anyone is there passed out. This is the opportunity. This is completely work from home. ఇలాంటి దొరికితే చాలా అదృష్టం. You're a lucky fellows if you got this type of jobs. Complete work from home. Okay, done. Yeah, write down notes. What is that one? What you did? How to push the heading, only heading. Once get the URL means repository. Yeah, once get the URL. Yes. We need to create a folder in expected location. Next. In this folder, we need to right click. We need to right click and select the git bash here. Yeah, if it is there, Priya, I will tell you. Okay. Definitely, I will tell you. We need to right click and select the git bash here. And select the git bash here. Full stop. Next line. Then it should be displayed git bash board. Then it should be displayed git bash board, comma. If you want to clone the project from repository, if you want to clone the project, CLONE, if you want to clone the project from repository, we need to use below command. Every command you need to put in brackets. Yeah, what is the below command? Git to space clone space URL, repository name. Git to space clone space repository name. What is the repository name? URL. How many people install the Postman? Everyone. Very good. Rest assured? Started rest assured? No. No. Cucumber? Yeah. What about only 5 people able to rise and cucumber still it is pending, huh? Okay. Next. Repository command is done. Next. By using above command, by using above command, we are able to clone the expected project in local mission. In local mission. in local machine. Next, if we want to, if we want to convert, if we want to convert local to main, if we want to convert local to main, we need to use below command. If we want to convert local to main, we need to use below command. What is that command? CD. CD space project name. Okay. JSAS like, okay. CD space project name. CD space project name. Next, if you want to validate the number of files inside of the project, if you want to validate the number of files inside of the project, we need to use below command. JSAS is the one project. In that project, how many files is there? We don't know. If you want to find that file names, you need to use below command. What is that command? Only ls. Okay. Only ls. Only ls. Next, if you want to validate, if we want to validate the number of rows from file, if you want to validate the number of rows from file, we need to use below command. If you want to validate the number of files from, yes, if you want to validate the number of rows from the file, we need to use below command. What is that one? Ente. ls space hyphen, not minus, hyphen la. Okay. ls space hyphen la. Okay. Remaining, I will continue tomorrow. How many topics is there pending? Jenkins database. We will conduct, I will conduct one assignment bits wise. Assignment ante raarama. That is today I conduct one assignment to interview people. Yesterday I was conduct. Okay. That paper I will provide. Okay. That paper I will provide. Yesterday I conduct one assignment that is bits wise, alphabetical order. Sorry, not a multiple choice, A, B, C, D. So 25 bits I was conduct. Same text I will conduct you. It is clear online and offline. Do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Do you have any doubt online and offline? Okay. Kiran, I didn't get that one. What is the meaning of the interview oriented means? Today we will discuss something about that one. Tomorrow we will conduct the assignment. Okay. See, if I conduct the assignment, you people are able to understand. Okay, fine. You guys are reached. How I am able to cross check? You people are able to reach it or not? If I want to say something continuously 1 week, I didn't conduct any assignment. How I am able to recognize? How I am able to find out? You people are able to catch the point or not? So if I conduct the any text, you people are able to understand. I am able to understand. Okay, these people are able to reach the point. It's okay, fine. Which topic now they discuss? I was explained manual testing completely. Fast track. Complete manual testing from starting to ending. Manual testing, software development process model, software development life cycle to testing terminology. Types of testing is pending. That one tomorrow I will discuss. Revised everything. Important questions, important questions. For example, software development process model. What is the important question? Testing methodology. What is the important question? Priority severity. What is the important? Like that. Every topic we need to pick a important question. Okay, clear, guys? And you, I explain one more time. You have one more screening test is there. Once this batch is completed, maybe I am expecting February ending, March first week. February ending, March first week. We have one screening test. That is second. And finally, December they will conduct. 24. That is second. Yearly twice. Okay, next people. You guys are utilized that a good opportunity. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you very much. And I will continue tomorrow. Guy.